Hello, welcome to another tutorial today, and this is Cosby Finance, your guy Leke as usual. And in this particular video I want to explain to you how you can trade 2 time frames and get maximum results, whereby you'll be eliminating all the false signals. You'll be eliminating all the how do I call them now? I'll say like the false reversals. Yes, because the endpoint Ichimoku strategy is a strategy that helps you to trade reversals in the markets. Yes, when the trend reverses, it helps to know when the trend is actually reversing. So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually remove the false reversals, how to filter them, so that you only be looking at your screen when they are actually real reversals. That is one. Then number two, it also helps you not to be in front of your screen all the time, because for instance, if you're trying to build a small account, it's going to require you to trade with a 1 minute, 2 minute, and 5 minutes, and the 15 minutes time frame. I don't advise you to go beyond those time frames. So it's going to help you to be able to filter on these time frames because of their inconsistency and because of their sorry, excuse me, because of their noise. It will help you to filter them properly. So if you're new to this channel, I advise and I want you to subscribe, because in this channel we give you the best. A lot of persons have actually contacted me and they tell me that they love the strategies, they've tested them and the strategies are doing well. Even some comment, and I'm so impressed, and I like all this because it gives me more reason to help you guys to get better in your trading. And we're going to be having a lot of series that's going to be showing you how you could actually get better results in your trading. So it's necessary that you stay tuned with us, and it is necessary that you join the family. Joining the family is very, very essential, extremely essential. Go to the Telegram room, join the Telegram room. Go to the Facebook group, join the Facebook group. Is very necessary, extremely necessary. It's something that you just cannot do without. You can't do without this. It's very, very important, very, very important. So please, I beg of you, and I appeal to you to please test run every strategy that I teach you here, and also make sure that you do what is necessary. If you have any questions, my doors are open to you. Chat me up. People that contact me, I usually reply them. Sometimes I might be occupied, and sometimes I might not even be on my phone. I might not respond to you immediately, but nevertheless, I always make sure I respond to you. So please do not stay in the dark. This is a family, and I want you to be part of this family. So, and at the end of this video, if you watch it to the end, I'm going to be showing you something. I'm going to be introducing you to some things that is going to do you a lot of favor. So just stay tuned to the end of this video. So now quickly, talking about this, the first thing you need to do is to go to the higher time frame. Just go to the higher time frame. Go to the higher time frame. Okay, and Now I believe that right now everybody knows how to set up the end point in the Ichimoku strategy. And if you're new to this channel, I advise that you go over to this channel and check all our videos. Check for all the series of the Ichimoku endpoint Ichimoku strategy and learn how to set this up for yourself. So it's very necessary, very necessary. Trust me, is a mind blower if you know how to trade it. So I'll be jumping over setting this up, and also I want to also let you guys know that we'll be having a series of live training, and I'll be showing you some strategies over my shoulder live. So it's necessary that you join these webinars. So we're going to be having webinars throughout the end of this year. Yes, we're going to be having webinar throughout the end of this year. So it's necessary that you join those webinars, and we're revealing a lot of secrets to you of how you could trade, strategies that are going to help you, and you will also be able to learn over my shoulder. You'll be able to ask questions that are relevant, that are bugging your mind, and I'm going to answer them right on the spot. So it's necessary that you guys, it's very necessary that you be part of that webinar. It's necessary that you are part of that webinar. It's necessary that you are part of that webinar. Very necessary, extremely necessary. So please endeavor to make yourself available for each of those webinar series, because you're going to be having more than 1, 2, 3 webinars. So I would advise that you make yourself available for all the series. So I'm going to be letting you know how you could actually be part of the webinar. I'm going to be dropping the link, and it's going to be insightful. It's going to help you guys so much. It's really going to help you guys. So quickly, now the first thing you need to do is to go to your 4-hour time frame. Yep. So on your 4-hour time frame, the first thing you want to do is, after setting up your chart, the next thing you want to do is to know the trend of the market. Now if you look at this, you notice that the Ichimoku itself dropped here, which our custom is you wait for it to climb, isn't it? Wait for it to cross. So you can see that they've all crossed the 5 minutes moving average, 5 minute average, and the Ichimoku itself have crossed the 200, which is this white moving average, and they are now above. Now above here tells us that the market is now on the buy trend, isn't it? So now the next thing you need to do is, we know now that we are in an uptrend. It's confirmed that we are in an uptrend. Now along this path, the next thing you want to do is to wait. You can see your stochastic right here. Don't forget that we are still on the 4-hour chart. You can see that your stochastic, the settings for the stochastic, all is in the previous videos. Go ahead and watch those previous videos. You're going to do yourself a lot of good. If you miss this strategy, trust me, you're going to miss a lovely strategy. Now look at this. So now, while we know that we are in an uptrend, the next thing we want to do is to wait for the stochastic to return back to the oversold region, which is, we want it to drop below this 20. Now let's place this here. You realize that the market dropped right here. It dropped below 20. You can see this, it dropped below 20. Now it dropping below 20, the next thing, you now know that the market has pulled back and has given you a lot of discount. I like to call it discount because it doesn't allow you to buy at an expensive price. It allows you to buy at the cheapest price. So when you enter, you're gonna be making a lot of money. You will have like almost zero or even zero drawdown. Yeah, like a brother chatted me about, I was like, this strategy gives zero drawdown, and I was like that's lovely. So now the next thing you want to do is, once you've got a discount on the trend that is imminent, that is present, the next thing you want to do is simple. Just ride over straight up, just ride over to your 15 minutes or your 5 minutes time frame. It's that simple. Now let's go to a 15 minutes time frame. Why I marked this up is so that I'll be able to know the particular point I'm dealing with. So you move to your 15 minutes time frame, then let's look for that particular point that we marked. You can see this. Now you notice that on your 15 minutes time frame, you notice that you have the same discount on your as your 4-hour time frame, because you know that the 4-hour time frame supersedes the 15 minutes time frame. So anything that is happening on the 15 minutes time frame is going to be ruled by the 4-hour time frame. So once you first of all make your analysis on the 4-hour time frame, then you go to your 15 minutes time frame to actually look for a good entry point. You cannot miss it. In fact, you must not miss it. You must not miss it. Now look at this point. You notice that we've got our discount on the higher time frame. So now we'll come to the lower time frame and see the same correspondence. Now you can see that right here, you can see that your Ichimoku dropped already. You can see it already dropped to an end point. You can see that we already have an end point already of a buy waiting for us right on our 15 minutes time frame. Now the next thing you want to do is to wait for this. Also, you can actually enter it right away. You won't have any problem. But if you're a greedy person like me, I always like to wait for another discount on my 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, I like to wait for another discount on my 15 minutes time frame. So you can see right here, you can see here there's a pull up here, then another discount happened right here. So this is where I would have placed my trade. And I place my trade right here, and you can see the market would have moved in my direction. You can see that the market moved from here. You can see it moved from here to here. You can see just right here. That's here. Yes, you can see we moved to this level. So let's see how much we would have made. So if you enter there and move to this level here, you can see we have made a lot of money, So if you are using a 0.01 lot size, you would have made a whopping $586 without stress. $586 without stress. From when to when? You can see this was 30th of October to 3rd of November. So that's within 4 days you made $500 plus within 4 days without stress. Okay, now let's go look at another discount scenario. Now from here, now you notice that still on this uptrend, you can see that the market pushed up and dropped again to this level. You can see. So you can take this also and put this here. Now this is the other discount. Now let's go to our 15 minutes time frame and look for that one again. Let's see if it will work. You can see that right here you have the same reversal to the upside corresponding with where we marked on the higher time frame. You can see. Don't forget that it's the trend that is letting us know where to look for discount. If you're looking for discount on the trend is going up, you look for a discount on the oversold region. If the market is going down, you look for a discount on the overbought region. Yes. So now this is it. You can see this. So you can see the same thing happen here. So you can either enter here can either enter here, or you can wait for this to happen and enter here. And when you enter here, you ride your wave from here and you take it here to this level. You see, you will have made another whopping $500 this time around within how many days? This is 5th of November to 6th of November. Within one day, you've made $500 without stress. So this strategy is a very powerful strategy, and it's something that you cannot do without. Like I explained, you cannot do without this. It's necessary that you stick to this strategy and make a lot of profit for yourself. Okay, look at this one that is present right now. You can see right here, you can see that there was a discount right here. Okay, so let's go to our 15 minutes time frame. At least, if you don't believe me, you will know that this works. You can see this is actually present. Now you can see right here, you can see that our our stochastic still on the uptrend. Our stochastic dropped below here. So go to our 15 minutes time frame. You can see our 15 minutes time frame, right here. You can see right here we can see that our Ichimoku did not touch the end, did not create an endpoint on this lower time frame. You can see it did not create an endpoint on a lower time frame. So the next thing I would have done is, as for me, I would have decided to let go of this trade. Yes, but if you want to take it much further, if you want to actually take the profit much further, you can wait for just right here. You can see you can wait for this support. You can see this verified support, like I explained to you in the previous videos. You can see that this support, which is a free indicator that I gave to you guys, you can see that this support. So you can just go ahead and download this video. Just check the description below. You will see the link to where you can download this particular video. So you can see this support right here. You can see this support right here. You can see how it works. You can see that once it touched this support, and you can see it's a verified support, just right here, you can enter the market just here. You can enter it just here, just right where the candles touch this support, and you can see that you have this discount here, which correspond with the higher time frame. So you can enter right here and you make your profit also. And you see this is going to $343 already for a 0.01 lot size. So this is how you can actually make a lot of money and without stressing yourself and filtering out the false endpoints in the market. So without stress, you will just be making your profit. And the reason why I also like this is because it doesn't require you to trade every day, because remember, you'll be making analysis on the 4-hour time frame. So, and you can see this was on the 10th of November. This was on the 4th of November. This was on the 30th of October. You can see. So you don't need to trade every day, but whenever you trade, it's always a significant trade. It's always a magical trade. So I'm going to be exposing a lot of this in the webinar to you, and trust me, you're going to enjoy yourself. I'm going to explain this in details for those that don't understand, and I'm going to also expose some more strategies to you in the webinar. So do not forget to join the webinar, and I'm going to be dropping the link to the webinar before Friday, so that a lot of you that are interested can be part of it. And do not forget, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and also join our community. Please join our community. It's very, very necessary, because I can decide to put important messages in any of the platforms. So please be part of our communities on Facebook and Telegram, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get updates, and click the bell button so that you can get notifications whenever relevant strategies like this are being uploaded. So I remain your boy Leke, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.